Welcome to NV Autifab. Today's topic is how to use Spotify with Serato DJ, covering both Pro and Lite versions. The key tool for this process is the Autifab Spotify Music Converter. Autifab allows you to save Spotify songs in common formats like MP3 while preserving lyrics and ID3 tags. Plus, it offers advanced features. For more details, visit our website. Now, let's dive into how to use Autifab. Open Autifab Spotify Music Converter, and the Spotify app will pop up automatically. Drag and drop your playlist into Autifab, or click to add. The songs will be listed quickly. Enable Filter Converted to skip duplicates. Select your songs and click Add. Click the Settings button to choose your output format, such as MP3, AC, FLAC, AF, WAV, or a LAC. You can also adjust output quality and output folder. If needed, tick the Save Lyrics option for karaoke or other uses. Close the settings window and click Convert to begin downloading. Once done, you'll have your Spotify songs in MP3 format, ready to import into Serato DJ. Launch Serato DJ software. You can directly drag and drop the downloaded files to Serato DJ, or click the plus button, then Files in the Serato DJ interface. Navigate to the folder with your converted files and drag songs or the entire folder into the All section. Your tracks will now appear in Serato DJ with ID3 tags. If you prefer, transfer your Spotify playlists to SoundCloud or Tidal. Then, log into SoundCloud or Tidal within Serato DJ to access your playlists directly. Congratulations! You've successfully added Spotify tracks to Serato DJ. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DJ tips.